Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video where I'm going to unlock the secrets of sales for you. Now, listen up because this is crucial. Selling isn't just for salespeople, it's a skill we all need. Whether it's nailing a job interview to land your dream job and salary, or convincing someone to buy your product, mastering the art of selling can transform your life. Think about it. Once you know how to sell, all you need is a product or service, and you're on your way to making it big. Think about the guy who managed to sell a product for $1,000 when it only cost $120 to produce. It's not magic, it's all about how he sold it. This is the perfect example of how crucial sales skills are. You see, selling is much more than just convincing someone. It's understanding human psychology and using it to your advantage. It's not just random luck that makes one salesperson successful and another not. There are proven methods and strategies that can significantly increase your chances of making a sale. And that's exactly what I'm here to share with you today. I'll be walking you through 5 scientifically proven techniques that can help you sell virtually anything to anyone. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional or just starting out, these tips are going to change the way you approach selling. So hit that subscribe button and let's get into these game-changing sales strategies that are grounded in science and psychology. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive deeper into the power of authority in selling. We naturally tend to trust and follow those we view as experts. In our fast-paced world, there's hardly time to scrutinize every detail, so we rely on those who seem knowledgeable. This is where establishing yourself as an authority in your field becomes crucial. Say you're selling health products. Highlighting your extensive experience in healthcare immediately boosts your credibility. It's not just about what you say. How you present yourself matters too. Dressing professionally or using a title can subtly enhance your authority. But there's a secret ingredient: science. People generally have a high regard for scientific backing. If you can support your sales pitch with scientific facts or studies, your words carry more weight. It's about creating a sense of trust and reliability. When customers see you as an authority figure, they're more inclined to believe in your product and make a purchase. So, leveraging your expertise and using science as a tool can be a game changer in the art of selling. Building a connection is key to successful selling. Think about it. When someone you like tries to sell you something, it's difficult to turn them down. We're naturally drawn to buy from those we feel a connection with. So, how do you become that person? Start by finding common interests with your potential customers. It could be anything from a shared hobby to a favorite sports team. This common ground creates a bond and makes the customer more receptive to your pitch. But it's not just about finding similarities. Genuine compliments can go a long way in making someone warm up to you. Be authentic and show real interest in what they have to say. Maybe they mentioned a recent achievement or a hobby they're passionate about. Acknowledging these things shows you're paying attention and value them as a person, not just a potential sale. Remember, it's about making a genuine connection. People can sense when you're being insincere or just trying to make a quick sale. Take the time to engage in a friendly conversation before diving into business. It sets a relaxed atmosphere and breaks down barriers, making them more likely to listen to what you have to offer. By creating a friendly rapport, you're not just selling a product, you're providing a pleasant experience, and that can be the deciding factor in closing a deal. Reciprocity is a powerful tool in sales. It's based on a simple human principle. When someone does something nice for us, we feel compelled to return the favor. This is why savvy salespeople often start by giving something away. It could be a free sample, a helpful piece of advice, or even just a sincere compliment. This gesture creates a sense of indebtedness, making the person more inclined to buy from you. However, the key to making reciprocity work is sincerity. Your gesture of giving shouldn't appear like a calculated move to get something in return. It should feel genuine and selfless. For instance, if you're offering a free sample, do it with the intent of helping the customer understand the product better, not just as a tactic to make a sale. This approach makes the person feel valued and respected, rather than just a target for your sales pitch. It's also important to remember that reciprocity isn't always about tangible items. Sometimes, it can be about giving your time, attention, or expertise. If you're able to provide valuable information or assistance, that too can create a sense of obligation. The idea is to make the other person feel that you've given them something of value, making them more inclined to reciprocate by considering your product or service. In practice, reciprocity is about building a relationship based on mutual benefit. When you give first, you set a tone of generosity and trust, which lays the foundation for a positive and productive interaction. By employing the principle of reciprocity effectively, you're not just selling a product, you're fostering goodwill and loyalty, which can lead to lasting customer relationships. Social proof is like a social magnet. Think about it. When you see a long line outside a restaurant, doesn't it make you curious? It's the same with products. When people see that others are buying something, they start thinking it must be worth having. This is because, as humans, we're wired to follow the crowd. It's a survival instinct from way back when following the group was often a matter of life and death. In sales, leveraging social proof means showing potential customers that your product or service is popular and trusted by many. This can be done in various ways. You could share testimonials from satisfied customers, display the number of units sold, or highlight positive reviews and ratings. It's all about creating a sense that everyone is doing it, which can be incredibly persuasive. Also, consider the power of influencers and thought leaders. If a respected figure in a particular field endorses your product, their followers are likely to take notice. This is why influencer marketing has become such a big thing. It's not just about celebrity endorsements. It's about finding someone your target audience trusts and respects. But remember, social proof should be genuine. Fake reviews or misleading claims can backfire badly. People value authenticity, and being honest about your product's popularity will always serve you better in the long run. So if you're using social proof as a selling tactic, make sure it's based on real data and genuine customer experiences. That way, when someone decides to follow the crowd and choose your product, they're doing it for the right reasons. Scarcity is a powerful motivator. It's based on a simple human psychology. We value what's rare. When something is scarce, we perceive it as more valuable, and we don't want to miss out on getting it. This fear of missing out, FOMO, can drive people to make decisions quicker than they usually would. Imagine you're in a store and you see a sign that says, "Last day to buy at this price," or "Only 5 left in stock." Immediately, your brain tells you that if you don't act now, you might lose your chance. That's scarcity at work. It's a tactic used everywhere from retail stores to online sales. Limited edition products, flash sales, and countdown timers on websites are all examples of using scarcity to boost sales. It's not just about making a product seem rare. It's about creating a genuine sense of urgency. You're telling the customer, act now or you might miss out. This can be especially effective if the product or offer is something the customer already has an interest in. If they've been eyeing that item for a while, the idea that it might not be available soon can push them over the edge to make the purchase. But remember, like with social proof, the key to using scarcity effectively is authenticity. Artificially creating scarcity can sometimes backfire, especially if customers realize that the urgency is just a sales tactic. So, if you're going to use scarcity, make sure it's for products or offers that truly are limited in availability. That way, when customers decide to buy, they feel good about their decision, knowing they've snagged something special before it's gone. These strategies aren't just theories. They're grounded in solid research. I hope you found these tips useful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one, where we'll explore more fascinating topics, so stay tuned.